Iran's quiet lands, history whispers soft. Through Uzbek steppes where traditions aloft, leaders we unite, hearts full of hope. Students from every corner, planting pieces go. Nowruz arrives, the spring we're reborn, in friendship, in peace together adorned. From Turkey to Kazakhstan, with one heart, one stride. You see this is lost students, side by side we glide. Our paths intersected along the Silk Road, to the Caspian, a history in our hearts bestow. Embrace of Anatolia, the spirit of Turkmen. In Nowruz we unite, lifting hope, a tender hymn. Our sister spring, pregnant with new tales. From Iran to Uzbekistan, hope in our sails. From Afghanistan to Turkey, every land's expanse. Hand in hand with Nowruz, in peace we advance. In peace we advance.